Welcome! If you've ever found yourself scrambling to track down a draft email in Gmail that contains an attachment, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the super simple steps you need to follow to quickly and easily locate any draft in your Gmail account that includes an attachment. Whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone, these steps are up to date and will have you finding those important files in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your smartphone. Once the app is open and you're logged in, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon. It looks like 3 stacked horizontal lines. Give that a tap. A side menu will slide out, displaying all your folder options. From here, scroll down until you see the option labeled Drafts. Tap on Drafts to access all the emails you've started but have not yet sent. At the top of the Drafts page, right below the search bar, you'll notice a small button labeled Attachment. This is your shortcut to filter draft emails, so all you'll see are those containing attached files. Tap on that attachment button. Next, a list of filtering options will appear. Choose the one that says, Has any attachment? After making this selection, your drafts folder will instantly refresh, showing only those draft emails that contain at least one attachment, whether that's a photo, document, or any file type. Now you can browse through your drafts with ease and spot the ones with attachments in just a few taps. No more endless scrolling or guessing which drafts include that important file you were working on. And that's it. With these quick steps, finding your draft emails with attachments in Gmail has never been easier. Try these out the next time you need to find an unfinished email or retrieve a forgotten file. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stick around for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.